morning, campers. Hello, Christmas Sinclair. We are in Des Moines, New Mexico this morning. Yes, that's right. Des Moines was such a great name that America used it twice. Yeah, I didn't realize there was another Des Moines. I thought it was just the one down in Iowa. But no, there's one here in New Mexico as well. We're in the little corner of New Mexico, between Texas and Colorado. So it's like the top right corner of, backwards because you guys are facing me, the top right corner of New Mexico. So the northeast corner, which I don't think this section of New Mexico is in American Truck Simulator yet, but it might get added eventually. It's just like a pass-through for once Texas and Colorado both exist, if they ever exist in the game. Which, awesome news on that front. Washington State is coming to that game very soon, and Pro Mods will be adding British Columbia, a whole bunch of places up in Canada that you can go to once Washington is out. So, first international border crossing coming very soon. Pro Mods is like the top line map makers for Euro Truck Simulator 2, so they're finally doing an American Truck Simulator expansion. So that should be cool. Looking forward to that. I guess they're assuming that the developers of the game aren't going into Canada anytime soon. So, you know, let the modders do that. It's good to finally see some decent map mods coming out for American Truck Simulator. The game's only 3 years old. 3 years old. Today is my third anniversary. Yesterday was my third anniversary of driving a truck with a job. It's not my third anniversary of driving, period. It's my third anniversary of getting hired by Jim Palmer Trucking, which means it's the day I finished my training and started doing the team driving portion with my trainer, Leah. So 3 years and some change that American Truck Simulator has been out, because that was what gave me the kick to get into this job, was that game, which is awesome. I love this job. Have I mentioned that lately? I love this job. Look what I woke up to this morning. I mean, that's a really great view. That's incredible. I'll never get tired of this part of the job where you just wake up to something breathtakingly beautiful every single day. God, I sent a picture to my dad a couple weeks ago when we woke up in, where we did a video there. We did a video there, the walk around video. That view out the front window, that mountain just right there. It's like, that's incredible. I've gotten in the habit of, so I'm on a shared cell phone plan with my dad, and, you know, I'm an adult now, so it doesn't really matter so much that my dad knows exactly where I am at all times. So I've got this GPS tracker enabled in my phone, so my dad and my stepmom can literally see where I am at all times. So I love sending my dad pictures from wherever I am, because he just sits on his phone and watches where I'm driving all day, which is kind of amazing. And I kind of love that. I don't think that's all he does, but he always seems to know where I am. So I'll get messages from him like, "Oh, you're near an Air Force base I used to go to." It's like, all right, cool. Or my dad sent me a message about Fallon Naval Air Station. Little bit too late for the video. I made that mistake, and a lot of people corrected me. That is not an Air Force base. That is, in fact, a naval air station out in the desert. That is indeed the home of Top Gun. We were right about that. Yeah, so, oops. Yeah, I know, I get it. I messed up. There's two things that you cannot get wrong on the internet, and that is you cannot use the word clip for a magazine in a firearm, because you will get comments about that, and you cannot incorrectly label a military base. Yeah, no. It's time for us to get rolling. I will see you guys in the next video. We are headed up to a Target distribution center in Pueblo, Colorado. We'll be there in a couple hours, and this video won't be up until tomorrow at the earliest. So I'm not too worried about telling y'all where I'm going. So, assuming we're going to be loading somewhere out of Denver, probably. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and for coming to see this lovely view this morning with me. I love it. I love it. Never gets old. Never gets old. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Ellie O'Dare. AzarAngel17 on Twitch.tv. Ellie O'Dare everywhere else, which is Xbox Live, Twitter, Steam, Switch. Definitely Switch. Though you can just follow me on Twitter and then link your Twitter and your Switch accounts, and it'll automatically pop me up in your friends list, and you can send me a friend invite. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.